In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook login issues. If you've been having trouble accessing your Outlook account, don't worry. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be back to managing your emails in no time. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to open up our computer settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your desktop screen. Once there, you should see an option for settings, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on that. If you're already familiar with accessing your PC settings, you're already on the right track. Now, when you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This is where you manage all applications installed on your PC. You may see a list of general settings options, but don't get overwhelmed. Apps is the one we're interested in. Once you've clicked on Apps, the next step is to visit the Installed Apps section. Here you'll see a complete list of all the software currently installed on your computer. It might take a moment for the list to load, especially if you have numerous applications. So just give it a bit of time. Now, scroll through the list until you find Outlook. For some users, it might be listed under Microsoft Outlook, or simply as Outlook, depending on your version. Finding Outlook is crucial, as we're going to access its settings to fix any possible login problems that might be occurring due to outdated configurations or small errors. When you've found Outlook, the next thing you'll do is click on the three dots to bring up a little menu. This often symbolizes additional options. It's usually straightforward to miss, so keep an eye out for those horizontal dots next to the app name. From the menu that pops up, select Advanced Settings. This option allows you to dive a bit deeper into the app settings, providing options that address issues like login problems, which you don't usually find in the basic settings. Once you're in the advanced settings, you'll find a repair option. Click on that. The repair feature will check for any corrupted files or errors that might be causing Outlook to malfunction. It's a handy tool, especially when you're dealing with login issues that can often be traced back to software glitches or configuration errors. Allow the repair to complete. It might take a few minutes, but once it's done, you should try logging back into Outlook. With these steps followed diligently, your login issues should now be resolved, ensuring you're back in no time to sending and receiving emails seamlessly. And there you have it, a quick and easy method to troubleshoot and fix Outlook login issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on managing your applications effortlessly.